Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how AI can help businesses to grow and how I am using AI to grow my business. AI is very much good in creating content. You can create images, videos and reels within minimum budget. AI is also good for marketing and data analysis. You can cut down your marketing cost by using AI for marketing. You can run Meta Ads Advantage Plus campaign and Google Ads Performance Max campaign, and both are the AI driven campaigns. You can use AI for campaign monitoring and ad performance measuring, as well as analyzing the customer behavior and get actionable insights. AI is good for providing customer support also. You can create WhatsApp chatbots or AI tele agents which can work seamlessly and efficiently for 24 into 7. Coming to sales and lead qualification, you can also use AI to qualify your leads. You can create AI tele agent who can call on your leads and ask them common questions and schedule meetings or appointments for you. Later, your sales team can only focus on high quality leads. AI for website and business operations. You can design website using AI. You can write code using AI, and you can automate your repetitive tasks using AI. It can overall improve your business efficiency. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. You can also download Digital Bikana app to learn digital marketing. Thanks.